Welcome back to my channel, guys. If it's the first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing for more easy, delicious recipes. And to my returning supporters, really appreciate you all. As you see from the title, guys, I'm making a steamed fish and bammy dish. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. Here's a run through of my ingredients: coconut milk, pumpkin, curry powder. In this container I have carrot, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, bell pepper, scallion, thyme, onion, and okra. And here I have two fish I already cleaned and washed with vinegar and lime. I'm also going to use black pepper, garlic powder, and all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to use some shrimp. So let's get started, guys. Next step, I'm going to add some oil to my pot. I'm going to allow that to heat up. Then I'm going to add my curry. Let it burn for a minute. Then we add our seasoning. A full list of all the ingredients used to complete this dish will be in the description box below. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk and stir to combine. Now I'm going to add my powder season. I'm going to add my garlic powder as we shown before, black pepper, complete season. I'm also going to use some chicken seasoning and cover and allow to simmer until our pumpkin softens. Then we can add our fish. Moving along, here I'm prepping my bammies, and these bammies I made myself. Video coming up soon, guys, look out for that one. Here I'm just adding them in some salt water for a minute or so. Then I'm going to take them out, place in paper towel before frying. Just watch the steps. Now I'm back after around 5 minutes. As you can see, it has reduced and our pumpkin cooked. Now I'm going to add my fish, the shrimp, stir, add a little water and allow to steam. Then we can come back and adjust salt if needed. Moving along, guys, here I have a pot over medium flame. I'm going to add oil. I'm going to allow that to heat up, then we can add our bammy. Here I'm adding my bammy, and as I said before guys, after we take them from the salt water, we have to put them on a paper towel to absorb the water, because water and oil doesn't agree, okay? Here I'm making space for adding my bammies, and I'm just going to allow them to absorb that delicious sauce. Then we can turn our flame right away and serve. And here you have it guys, finished product. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Test out this recipe. It's very delicious guys, if I say so myself. And be on the lookout for this bammy video. And if you enjoyed the video guys, tell me all about it in the comment section. And please share, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Turn your notification bell on guys, please, so as soon as I upload you'll get notified. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Bye bye.